I'm very fortunate to have acquired a lot of tools over the years doing all the work that I have done. However, even having all of these tools in this toolbox and that toolbox, it can be a little bit inconvenient. What if the everyday homeowner could have just one little box that had most of the tools they need to do a ton of repairs around the house? Introducing the Sundpey 148-piece toolkit. This thing is loaded and is perfect for just the average homeowner looking to fix things around the house. Not only that, but even somebody like me who has acquired a bunch of tools, it's convenient. You can keep it in the car or you just carry it inside when you've got some repairs to do. So let's check this thing out. So right off the bat, we've got wall anchors and screws. 148-piece kit. What do we got here? We've got our fine screwdrivers. We've got needle nose, variety of different pliers, adjustable wrench, some Allen keys, a tape measure with, I don't know, an adorable little creature on it. Panda maybe? Hammer. All right, we've got a tiny hacksaw. We've got all of our different driver attachments here. This one comes in very handy, by the way. A lot of people don't have one of these. This so you can put your sockets on it. Oh, we've got a voltage tester. We've got a blade with replacements, box cutter. We've got some regular size screwdrivers. This is what goes with those driver attachments, so it is going to be ratcheting. Very handy. And we've even got some plumber's tape in here. And some sockets. And now here's the beautiful thing. Instead of going through my different toolboxes and rounding up all the tools I might need, I put this together and we go inside to fix some stuff. So if you look here, these cabinets are off. What happened is the hinge is just messed up. So it's doing that. So easy fix. Look in here, screwdriver. Fixed. Wiggly door handle. Done. So this chair right here has been around for a long time, but my son likes to sit in it this way now that he's bigger. So this thing has come very loose. And I've actually seen people throw things out because of this. It's actually a really easy fix. If you look on the back here, we actually need an Allen key here. So here's the set that came with it. Let's see if we have the right size. Probably this one or the one next to it. Let's see. So we take this out. I feel it's gonna be a smaller one. Yep, next size down. Here we go. Right. Oh, that side is tightened, and while I'm at it, I might as well fix this thing up a little bit more. Good to go. So this door actually has to be replaced, so I need to do two things. One, I need to measure the door to see how big it is, and then I need to get these hinges off, both of which I can do with this kit. Door is 30 inches, and I'm just grabbing the flathead screwdriver and the hammer out of the kit. All right, I know this saw looks kind of dinky in here, but I want to see, will it cut PVC? Because I'm fixing a sink right now, and I have to take about 1 inch off of this. So let's see if it'll work. Cuts PVC. So this faucet is leaking. I need to go get another one, but I want to pull this one off so I can go and make sure I match the size. So the question is, do I have what I need in here? Over the last week, I've tested out this Sundpey toolkit a bunch of times. And let me tell you something. You just saw some of the clips for me doing repairs with it. There's plenty of times I grabbed this thing and just did something with it, and I'd even think, hey, I should get this on video. I even brought it camping with me because I went camping with my kids, and I used it multiple times while I was camping for little things. I had to fix a fishing pole. I had an issue with part of the tent, just little things happen. My son's bike was acting weird. I had some tools with me, I could take care of it. So it's super convenient. I think the kit's like $35 or $40, and it's right on Amazon. In fact, there's a link below. So if you are interested, whether you're a person with a lot of tools like me, but you just want something convenient that you can carry around or keep in the house, or you're just an average homeowner or renter, somebody who just needs to fix up things once in a while, and you don't have all the tools that you need. Again, $35 or $40, it's right on Amazon. There's a link below, check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.